Hi lovies, welcome back. I am Missy. I am so happy that you guys decided to spend this time with me. If you're new to my channel and this is something that you think you would like, please consider subscribing and becoming a Lovie Subbie. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out my channel. And check out my Dropbox for all of my social media links. Today I am so excited to share with you an entry into my recipe journal. Yay! Believe it or not, my daughter and I got this recipe off of TikTok. We love TikTok. It cracks us up. The animal videos are fantastic. And recently, TikTok has just exploded and become like this hub for recipes. And that is exactly where we found this one. So when we tried it out and we loved it, I knew it had to be an entry in my recipe journal because my recipe journal is actually for my daughter. My thoughts behind this was to log, if you will, some of her favorite recipes as a child growing up, some of our family favorites, and anything that we tried new that we really like. And when she gets older and gets married, this is something that I can pass on to her that is homemade, if you will, by her mother and contains all of her favorite recipes and family favorites. And I think that's such a wonderful heirloom to be passed down from generations. So I'm very dedicated and very excited about my recipe journal because it has a purpose. And because we found this off of TikTok and we both loved it, it had to be logged. So I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm going to let you guys watch the video and kind of see where we go with it. It only has 2 ingredients. That's the best part. Wait till you see this. But I wanted to just tell you guys, I'm using my Tombow brush pens. I'm using a few gel pens. And then I'm using, of course, my pen that you see me here writing with right now, my trusty Micron. Sometimes I use stickers and sometimes I use washi. Those are just 2 added extra elements I will include sometimes, but for the most part, I use my Micron, my Tombow brush pens, and sometimes I will use gel pens because I need to add colors or outlines or things that just kind of won't be picked up with a brush pen. I have never done watercolor in my recipe journal, but that is also another medium I use in my other journals, but I just wanted to put it out there. You get yourself a good pen, some really good markers, and you can have yourself a beautiful recipe journal, maybe to keep for yourself or one of your children or a grandchild. They're really a lot of fun to make, and I personally love mine. So I have a challenge for you guys. TikTok did not have a name for this specific recipe, and as the video goes further, you're going to see what it is. It only has 2 ingredients, like I already mentioned. I challenge anybody to help us name this dessert. It is a dessert. We cannot think of a name for this at all. And like I said, the person who posted this on TikTok didn't have a name for it either. And I would love to put a name in here. I even left a space for it, but we can't think of one. So if you guys can think of a name for this, please leave it down in the comments. Then I encourage you to go get the 2 ingredients and make this for yourself because it is definitely fall in your mouth. I know it is just the end of August, but I am so ready for fall, and this tastes like fall. So if you're feeling all the warm and cozy feels of fall as well, I encourage you to make this. So I'm going to quit talking at you. I'm going to set this to some beautiful music and speed it up just a tad, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I can't wait to read all your comments below and tell me what you guys think of this if you try it. So I'll be talking to you guys very soon in the next video. Until then, guys, take care, God bless, and always journal what you love. Bye, lovies.
you.